Are you looking for a new and exciting hobby that will not only bring joy but also provide you with delicious, fresh food? The benefits of growing your own mushrooms are many and varied. Firstly, it's a great way to save money. Buying mushrooms at the grocery store can add up quickly, but growing your own can be much more cost-effective, especially if you eat a lot of them. Plus, you can be sure that they are organic and free of any chemicals or preservatives. But the benefits of growing your own mushrooms go beyond just saving money. It's also a fun and fulfilling hobby. Watching your mushrooms grow from tiny spores to fully formed fungi is incredibly satisfying, and it can be a relaxing way to spend your spare time. Of course, one of the biggest benefits of growing your own mushrooms is the taste. Freshly picked mushrooms from your own garden are simply unbeatable. They taste better than store-bought ones, and they are more versatile in the kitchen. You can use them in a wide range of dishes, from pastas to soups to stir-fries, and they always add a delicious umami flavor to any meal. But the best part of growing your own mushrooms is the variety of species you can choose from. There are so many different types of mushrooms out there, each with their own unique flavor and texture. From oyster mushrooms to shiitakes to portobellos, the options are endless. Another benefit of growing your own mushrooms is that it's a sustainable and environmentally friendly practice. By growing your own food, you're reducing your carbon footprint and minimizing waste, since you won't have to throw out any spoiled mushrooms that you couldn't use in time. And let's not forget about the health benefits of mushrooms. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, and they contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your body from disease. Plus, some species of mushrooms contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. So, as you can see, there are many reasons why growing your own mushrooms is a great idea. It's a fun and rewarding hobby that can save you money and provide you with delicious, fresh food. Plus, it's sustainable and good for the environment. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a new passion.